Is that a long white one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put this one in. Oh, white ones. Oh, what's that? Another black one. I'm hoping the black ones go in here.
Black is in the second row from the bottom. Long whites are in the bottom, Daddy.
Oh, there's a couple long white ones, aren't they? You want to give me that one? Oh, John, you're finding all the black ones.
I see a red one.
A red one? Well, those are going to go up a little higher, I think.
Red one's blue.
Yeah, I haven't gotten many long white ones, though. Oh, those look like two long white ones.
I think the window white
Yeah.
ones. But window white ones, Daddy.
3?
Yeah. I pick up that one. I pick up that.
I need another long white one.
Here come the window white ones, Daddy.
Okay, that's what I need, some long white ones.
Here come three.
Oh, 3 long white ones, thanks.
We can see all white ones.
Yeah, we were at Home Depot this morning and looking at real Christmas trees. I asked Scott if he wanted us to buy a Christmas tree. He said, no, we have a Christmas tree already up in the attic. Yeah.
Here's the white one, Daddy.
Maybe next year we'll buy a real Christmas tree.
Yeah, here, Daddy. Daddy, here's the white one too,
Is
Daddy.
that another long white one?
Yeah, I got one more.
Is that all of them?
After black comes orange. See if you can find some orange ones.
Okay. That's all the white ones and that's all the black ones. So now we need some orange ones.
Decorated too,
Yeah, we can decorate it too.
Daddy.
Is this a nice tree?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does it smell like a nice Christmas tree? Nice pine scent?
Tell Daddy he's being silly.
Let's hang them up on here. You hang them. Hang them up. Put that up there. Got it. Got it, got it. Oh, pretty good. What is that? Is that a reindeer?
Windy.
What is this one?
Santa.
Santa. Okay, let's hang this.
Where'd we get those ornaments?
From my friend.
Who made them?
I did.
You did, huh? Okay, let's hang this one up too. Well, okay.
There.
You take it and you hang it. Can you get it?
There.
Yeah. You stand back and look at that. That pretty nice?